Looking to upgrade your driving experience without spending a fortune? In this video, we're counting down 10 of the coolest car gadgets you can buy on Amazon that are designed to make every trip safer, cleaner, and more convenient. From clever organizers and emergency tools to smart cleaning accessories and must-have maintenance gear, these innovative products solve everyday driving problems while adding extra comfort and functionality to your vehicle. Whether you're a daily commuter, road trip enthusiast, or simply love useful automotive gadgets, this list has something worth adding to your car. Number 1. Tired of dust hiding in every tiny car crevice? Meet TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel, your quick-cleaning secret weapon. Reason 1. It reaches vents, seams, and tight spaces easily. Just press, lift, and watch hidden dust disappear. No scrubbing, no poking, no more frustrating hard-to-clean corners. It works on air vents, cup holders, and consoles. Reason 2. It's reusable and keeps going strong. Need it? Use it, then store it back safely. One jar handles car interiors, keyboards, and office gear. That means less waste and more value for you. Reason 3. It feels clean, fresh, and hassle-free. The lavender scent makes cleaning surprisingly pleasant. Its high-tech formula grabs dust without sticking to hands. No residue, no mess, just a cleaner-looking surface. Perfect for steering wheels, dashboards, and storage bins. Also great for laptops, keyboards, and remote controls. Car owners love it for fast interior touch-ups. Office users love it for keeping desk tech spotless. Gamers love it for cleaning between keyboard keys. It's simple, effective, and made for everyday convenience. Take it out with dry hands and knead briefly. Press gently onto dusty surfaces and lift slowly. Watch dirt come away in one satisfying pull. Use it again until the color turns dark. Then just seal it up and store cool. No water needed, no complicated steps, no fuss. If you want a cleaner car fast, start here. If you want reusable cleaning power, this is it. If you want easy dust removal, grab TICARVE now. Tap buy now and make cleanup effortless today. Number 2. Still comparing seat gap fillers? Let's settle it today. Regular fillers slip, leave gaps, and need constant readjusting. Drop stop attaches to the seatbelt catch securely. It moves with the seat, no reinstalling needed. Standard organizers only cover part of the gap. Drop stop delivers 100% gap coverage front to back. Before, keys, phones, and coins disappear into the crevice. After, everything stays visible, reachable, and protected. Many car inserts look bulky or awkward. Drop stop stays low profile and blends into one dark shadow. Typical products wear out, crack, or fall apart. Drop stop uses durable, high-grade neoprene for lifetime use. One size fits most vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and trucks. 2 fillers included, driver side and passenger side. You also get a slide-free pad bonus, plus an LED credit card light, added value. Watch how drop stop blocks the dangerous seat gap. No more fishing for dropped items near the console. No more distracted driving from reaching between seats. This simple upgrade improves safety and interior organization. Compared with basic gap fillers, drop stop fits better. Compared with cheap foam inserts, drop stop lasts longer. Compared with loose organizers, drop stop stays firmly in place. The difference is clear. Cleaner cabin, safer driving. The installation is quick, easy, and frustration-free. Just slide it into position and drive. If you want proven protection, choose the original. If you want fewer distractions, choose drop stop. If you want better value, the bundle makes sense. Stop the drop before valuables disappear forever. Upgrade your car interior with drop stop today. Click now and make every drive cleaner and safer. Number 3. Bro, why is my windshield hotter than my life decisions? I parked for 5 minutes and my car became a sauna. Seat, burning, steering wheel, unholy, dashboard, crispy chicken. I opened the door and got slapped by heat. Even my sunglasses looked at me and quit. Then I found this auto-retractable sunshade. My new secret weapon against summer trying to delete me. One pull, and boom, shade appears like magic. No wrestling, no folding, no academic degree required. Just hook it up, and the sun loses instantly. Unhook it, and it retracts like it's paid by speed. Honestly, even my lazy side approved this. It fits most sedans with adjustable width. Height adjusts too, because one size never served humanity. Yes, measure first. Some cars are dramatic and different. Pickup trucks? Lorries? Giant SUVs? Not invited today. For the rest of us, it's basically a glow-up. The 420D light-blocking fabric means serious heat defense. Sunlight gets blocked, like it hit a VIP checkpoint. Seats stay cooler. Dashboard stays happier. Electronics survive. Your car no longer feels like a toaster oven. Installation takes about 2 minutes. No tools, no chaos. Suction cups on, adjust size, stick, and hook. That's it. Even my patience didn't suffer. It stores neatly, saving space and your sanity. No bulky umbrella, no blocked view, no garage drama. Just retract it before driving and pretend you're organized. They even upgraded the retraction issue. So yes, finally, camping, parking, commuting, this thing stays ready for battle. If summer keeps disrespecting your car, fight back smart. Get the auto-retractable sunshade and outsmart the sun. Number 4. Rain hammered the windshield as traffic slowed to a crawl. Inside the car, tension rose with every flashing brake light. Then, a sudden jolt stopped everything. The seatbelt locked tight, and the door wouldn't open. For a moment, panic filled the silent cabin. That's when the little keyring tool came into focus. resQme, GBO RQM, always attached, always within reach. Its compact design looked simple, but promised urgent action. First, the sharp stainless steel blade cut through the belt. One clean motion, and the restraint was gone. Freedom returned instantly to the driver's movement. Outside, danger still loomed through the shattered silence. The spring-loaded spike was ready for the next challenge. A firm press struck the tempered glass with precision. The side window cracked fast, opening an escape route. No struggle, no wasted time, no uncertainty. The bright loop protector clip kept it secure on keys. Easy to find, easy to grab, impossible to overlook. From mirror to visor, it stayed wherever safety demanded. Its high-visibility color made emergencies feel a little more manageable. Every detail was built for quick, confident response. Made in the USA, it carried trusted craftsmanship. Families, commuters, and drivers all deserve that reassurance. Because emergencies never announce themselves before they strike. Preparation turns fear into action, and action into escape. In one small tool, rescue became instantly personal. A cutter, a breaker, and a lifeline on your keyring. resQme is the difference between trapped and ready. Keep safety close, not somewhere buried in the glove box. Add resQme GBO-RQM to your keys today. Number 5. Ever get into your car and notice something off? That stale, musty smell hits before you even start driving. Food spills, smoke, mildew, and trapped odors linger everywhere. Regular air fresheners only cover the smell for a moment. The real problem stays hidden inside vents and ductwork. That's where Armor All FRESHfx goes to work. It neutralizes odors right at the source. No masking, no overpowering scent, just cleaner air. This tranquil skies scent feels fresh and balanced. Hints of lemon verbena brighten the cabin instantly. Leather, patchouli, and warm woods add a smooth finish. The result feels calm, clean, and genuinely refreshed. Just spray directly into your vehicle vents. In about 10 minutes, freshness starts replacing the funk. It's simple enough for anyone to use. And it works beyond the car too. Use it in dorm rooms, closets, or bathrooms. Any space with stubborn odors can feel fresher fast. Before, the cabin smells stale and uncomfortable. After, the air feels clean, lighter, and inviting. That's the difference a real odor neutralizer makes. Armor All brings trusted car care quality to freshness. It's the name drivers already recognize and rely on. 3 5-ounce cans give you lasting value. Keep one in the car, one at home, one spare. Freshen up whenever odors start taking over. For quick, practical odor control, this just makes sense. Armor All FRESHfx helps you drive fresher every day. Choose tranquil skies and make every ride feel better. Grab yours now and refresh the air at the source. Number 6. I opened my trunk and chaos attacked me. Groceries rolled, cables tangled, tools vanished into darkness. Every turn felt like my car was fighting back. Then came the worst moment. Something started sliding again. I thought my trunk was cursed forever. But the truth was far stranger than I imagined. Hidden inside the mess was my missing solution. Meet the Drive Car Trunk Organizer. At first glance, it looks simple. But this collapsible design changes everything. It expands for big loads or shrinks for tight spaces. When unused, it folds away with incredible ease. No more bulky storage stealing precious trunk room. Then I discovered its tie-down strap system. Suddenly, nothing shifted, tipped, or escaped during travel. My belongings stayed locked in place, mile after mile. Its multiple compartments felt almost too good to be true. Groceries, tools, cables, and work materials fit perfectly. Even emergency supplies finally had a dedicated home. And this organizer doesn't collapse under pressure. Reinforced panels keep it upright, sturdy, and dependable. The waterproof lining adds another layer of confidence. Handles make lifting easy, even when fully loaded. Mesh pockets and adjustable sections add serious flexibility. One moment it's half size, the next fully expanded. My trunk went from disaster zone to calm command center. Every drive now feels cleaner, easier, and smarter. If your car needs order, this is the answer. I highly recommend the Drive Car Trunk Organizer. Get yours today and end the trunk chaos now. Number 7. Still yellowed headlights. Wiping them rarely solves the real problem. Oxidation sits deeper than surface dirt, so clarity keeps fading. I recommend a restoration system built for stubborn headlight haze. 3M. Headlight Lens Restoration System. Uses science, not guesswork. The kit is designed to remove harsh yellowing effectively. It starts with drill-activated sanding for stronger corrective action. That means faster removal of oxidation, cloudiness, and discoloration. Then refining discs smooth the surface for cleaner transparency. Finally, rubbing compound helps bring back a clearer finish. The process is straightforward for DIY drivers and professionals. Inside the kit, you get a complete step-by-step system. It includes a disc pad holder for secure attachment. You also get 6 500 grit gold sanding discs. 4 800 grit white finishing discs support the next stage. A Trizact refining disc adds precision to the restoration, and the included rubbing compound completes the polishing process. This matters because cloudy lenses block usable light output. Restoring clarity can improve brightness and nighttime visibility. Better visibility supports safer driving in low light conditions. It also instantly improves the vehicle's overall appearance. In real use, faded headlights often look dramatically renewed. The difference is especially noticeable on heavily yellowed lenses. Many users choose it for reliable, consistent results. It works well for car owners, detailers, and repair shops. The heavy-duty design is made for tough restoration jobs. So instead of masking damage, you restore the lens. For clearer headlights and a cleaner look, this kit stands out. Choose 3M for proven restoration, performance, and practical convenience. Bring back clarity, improve visibility, and drive with confidence. Get the 3M Headlight Lens Restoration System today. Number 8. My wheels were always covered in stubborn brake dust. I scrubbed forever, but the grime still clung tight. My knuckles hit spokes, and my hands got soaked. Every wash felt like a messy, frustrating workout. Then I spotted the Brush Hero Pro online. One clip showed it blasting through filthy rims instantly. I stopped scrolling and checked the details immediately. What caught me first was the water pressure switch. That extra control made detailing look seriously precise. It also comes with 2 interchangeable brush heads, soft black for delicate surfaces, tough white for muck. The ergonomic rubber grip looked unbelievably comfortable too. Finally, a brush that reaches tight spots easily. I ordered it fast because my wheels needed help. Setup was simple, and the difference showed instantly. The rotating spray brush loosened dirt without brutal scrubbing. Brake dust started melting away in seconds. Those hard-to-reach edges finally looked clean again. My hands stayed dry, protected, and totally comfortable. Even the wheel barrels got a deep clean. I used it on bikes too, with amazing results. It even tackled engine grime and muddy equipment. Now every wash feels faster, smarter, and way easier. No more wasted effort or sore knuckles afterward. This is the wheel brush upgrade I needed. If your rims are still dirty, why keep struggling? Why fight brake dust when Brush Hero exists? Grab the Brush Hero Pro before your next wash. Your wheels deserve this level of clean now. So tell me, are you ready to upgrade? Number 9. Tired of dull paint that never quite pops? Meet Chemical Guy's HydroSpeed Ceramic Quick Detailer. First reason, it boosts gloss fast with serious depth. One spray, and your finish looks freshly detailed. Second reason, Ceramic SiO2 technology adds slick protection. It creates that slick, hydrophobic shield you can feel. Water beads up, dirt struggles, and maintenance gets easier. Third reason, it tops up coatings, waxes, and sealants. That means your protection lasts longer between washes. Use it on paint, glass, wheels, and trim. It's made for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and RVs. The spray and wipe process is ridiculously simple. No heavy buffing, no complicated steps, no wasted time. Just spray on a microfiber towel or panel, then wipe for a streak-free, showroom-style finish. It's perfect for quick touch-ups after every wash, or before a weekend drive when you want extra shine. If you love that wet look gloss, this delivers. If you hate water spots, this helps fight them. If you want easier cleanup, this belongs in your kit. Detailers trust it. Car enthusiasts keep reaching for it. Because it works fast and leaves results you can see. Your ride gets shine, slickness, and protection in minutes. Your coatings get a boost without the hassle. Your detailing routine gets cleaner, quicker, and smarter. So why settle for ordinary shine products? Upgrade to HydroSpeed and make every wash count. Grab yours now and give your vehicle the finish it deserves. Add it to your detailing kit today. Then hit the road with gloss, beading, and confidence. Number 10. A late-night road trip suddenly feels too quiet. The tire warning light glows like a red alarm. Everyone in the car exchanges worried glances. Miles from home, the journey hangs in suspense. Then AstroAI appears, compact and ready. Its rugged yellow body fits easily in the trunk. The integrated storage keeps every nozzle neatly inside. No messy cords, no searching, no wasted time. Plug it into the 12V cigarette lighter. The digital screen lights up instantly. Real-time pressure readings bring instant confidence. Choose PSI, BAR, KPA, or kg/cm squared. Set the target pressure with one simple touch. The LED light cuts through the dark roadside. Now the tire can be filled safely at night. Air flows fast at 25 liters per minute. A low tire climbs from 29 to 36 pounds per square inches quickly. The steady hum feels like hope returning. No guesswork, no overinflation, no extra stress. When the preset value is reached, it stops automatically. That smart auto shutoff protects every tire. The long 11. 1-foot cord reaches front and rear wheels. Even compact cars and SUVs are easy to handle. 3 nozzles expand its power beyond tires. Bikes, motorcycles, sports balls, and inflatables all get air. One tool solves everyday needs and emergencies alike. After 15 minutes, let it cool briefly. Then it is ready for the next challenge. By sunrise, the road feels open again. AstroAI turns roadside worry into effortless control. Keep one in your car and drive with confidence. Those were our picks for the 10 coolest car gadgets you can buy on Amazon. Practical upgrades that can improve safety, organization, cleanliness, and overall driving convenience. Whether you're protecting your interior, preparing for roadside emergencies, or keeping your vehicle looking its best, these gadgets offer great value for any car owner. If you enjoyed this roundup, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews of the best gadgets, car accessories, and Amazon finds.